Welcome to Take 5 Season 4, Episode 1. My name is Tinaye Muzamhindo. I am a member of the Seventh-day Adventist Church at Chisipiti in the Health Department. Today we're going to be talking about health and wellness, and we'll have an introduction with definitions. To start off with, we'll start off with the definition for what is health, and then later on I'll give a definition of what is wellness. According to the World Health Organization, health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being, and not just the absence of disease or infirmity. And then, when it comes to wellness, the definition of wellness is an active process of becoming aware of and making choices toward the healthy and well-being of life. As we can see, the two definitions are different. However, the two definitions show us that health and wellness are related. They are different, but they have some common elements together. And those common elements are about making sure that the body remains healthy and remains well. So it is important to gain knowledge about health and also to gain knowledge about wellness, because both aspects are important in our lives if we are going to have a quality life, a life that we can be then able to live our lives to the most and to the full. Now we want to learn a bit more about what causes problems or what can disturb our health and wellness. In health, our health can be disturbed when there are any problems in any one of the systems. The body has got many systems. The different systems are working together to be able to make our bodies function well as they are meant to. If there's any problem in any one of those systems, and then our function will be affected. There are about 10 different systems, and as we go through this series, we're going to detail about some of those systems so that we can understand our bodies better. Because if we are forearmed and we have knowledge, we'll be able to make better decisions and better choices about our health and well-being, and then we'll have a better quality of life. When it comes to wellness, there are about 8 dimensions. There are about 8 different aspects of wellness that we need to take note of. And these will also contribute to our quality of life and help our bodies to become stronger so that we can fight any adversity or any germs that come to us better. We may not be always able to fight them off completely, but our bodies will be stronger. And even if the germs or the diseases come, we'll be able to fight them back better because our bodies will be strong. What happens when we've got health and wellness problems? Sometimes, if our bodies are strong, we'll be able to face the challenges on our own without having to take any medications. But obviously, when the problem is getting out of hand, we will need the help of a healthcare provider. But for us to be able to know when to go and seek help from a healthcare provider, it means we need to be able to identify what kind of problems are taking place and where they are taking place and how bad or how serious they are. Obviously, prevention is best. Forearmed is forewarned, and so we'll have the power to face those challenges better, and then the healthcare providers can then also help us. Who is affected when it comes to health and wellness problems? All of us are affected. It doesn't matter what age you are or what gender you are. Of course, the problems that affect you may vary according to your age or your gender, because these predisposing factors vary from person to person and they lead to different diseases in different people. But all the same, all of us can be affected in one way or another. So it is important to be able to recognize what is going on in our bodies and be able to seek help where necessary. So we need to have a good idea, a general idea about the signs and symptoms when there are health problems or when there are wellness problems, and a general idea about how to help ourselves even before we seek help from the healthcare provider. Health and wellness problems are managed in different ways depending on which system is affected and depending on what kind of a wellness problem it is, because obviously the approach will be different depending on the cause. The causes are different, so the management is also different. But generally, if we have strong bodies, the management will not be complicated because we will not have given a chance to the problems to become complicated. So it is important to have strong bodies so that whatever challenges we face in terms of our health and wellness, they will not affect us gravely, but they will affect us minimally and there will be no complications.
Take 5 is a show produced by the Chizipiti Church, a fountain of love, and is made possible by support from many partners. If you wish to follow more of our studies on these and many other subjects, please connect with us on the Chizipiti SDA Church on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Like our platforms and share with us your comments. We also have our plug-in team ready to pray with you and encourage you through life's challenges. So please connect with us and would love to pray with you. We can't wait to hear from you. And remember, when life seems to drown you, just take a moment, take a break, and take 5 to reflect.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode. 3 John 2 says, God wants you to enjoy good health and that all may go well with you, even all the days of your life. Please join me next time for another episode.